In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams display name. Firstly, let's understand why you might want to change your display name on Microsoft Teams. Your display name is how you present yourself to colleagues and clients within the platform. Maybe you've had a name change, or perhaps you just want to make your name more recognizable to your team. Whatever the reason, changing your display name is a simple process that I'll guide you through step by step. To kick things off, open up your preferred web browser. We're going to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. Here you'll spot the sign in button right away. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your account details, so do that to gain access to your Teams account. Once you're signed in, let's navigate to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on your profile photo to proceed. This is where all your personal settings are managed, offering an easy pathway to making changes to your account details, including your display name. After clicking your profile photo, look for an edit or pencil icon, which usually signifies an option to make edits. This icon is your gateway to changing your display name, so don't hesitate to click on it. You're doing great. Now here comes the main part. After clicking the edit icon, you'll be presented with your current name and possibly other details. It's time to change your name to whatever suits you best. Just click on the name field, backspace the existing name, and type in your new preferred name. Take a moment to make sure you've spelled everything correctly to avoid any hassle later on. Finally, after you're done typing your new name, look for the Save button. This is your last step, so click it to seal the deal. This will update your display name across Microsoft Teams. There you go, you've successfully changed your display name. Remember, it might take a little time for the change to reflect across all the areas of Microsoft Teams, especially if you're part of large teams or multiple groups. Also, if you're looking to make a significant change, like updating your email address linked with Teams, that process might involve a few more steps and possibly a talk with your IT department if you're using a work account. And that's how you change your display name in Microsoft Teams. Simple, right? This small change can make a big difference in how you're perceived in the work environment, ensuring your colleagues recognize you instantly in chats, meetings, and team collaborations. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your digital tools and work smarter. Until next time.